The concept is that we'll use suffering, pain, fear, anything that's discordant, emotionally, mentally, romantically, financially, physically. We'll use those discordant energies, pain and suffering, as a mechanism to try to repair this divine cosmic loop, to strengthen the loop, to hold a greater state of perception of the divine connection. And so there is a practice that I do regularly every single day where I think about what is something that I find to be uncomfortable. And I'm just going to use the example of a cold plunge, getting into a cold plunge. That has a physical discomfort to it. And the discomfort identifies where there is a break or a thinning or a weakness in the loop. And so I'm just going to give a little visual aid. And if you have pen and paper and you are visual, you could do a picture of a loop, just a circle, nice big circle. So people that run from pain, hate pain, avoid pain, are going to have a lot of breaks in their loops. But here's the problem. As we run our energy in that divine cosmic loop and we feel the break, that's a pain point. The pain point is there to help us identify where there's the break. And so the more that we're running our divine cosmic loop and consciously embracing discomfort, something that's uncomfortable, we can identify where the break is, repair the break, and then we no longer fear pain because there's no pain, i.e., break in the divine cosmic loop.